This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, heated seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.